I'm Péter Galambos, the director of the Antal Bejczy Center for Intelligent Robotics. And I'm going to present you some of the useful robotization technologies. Today, we are going to show three different topics. The first one will be the manipulation of fruits and vegetables with robotics hands. This is not really a research topic, but it's a proof of concept. So with this topic, I would like to introduce you what I mean under a proof of concept validation. Testing a new technology without involving expensive industrial resources, rather use a living lab to try out a new gripper provided by a company. Actually, it's a real situation. Now we are testing an on-robot soft gripper. If it is capable of really manipulating fruits and vegetables without harming the objects, or not. So we are looking for the answers with this test. The second topic will be the demonstration of the RoboChair project, a gripper design for the intestine removal during the pork meat production process. This is an EU H2020 project. Hopefully I can show you really interesting stuff from the results. And as a third demonstration, it's not a deep rocket science. We are gonna decorate a cake, a chocolate cake, using a collaborative robot, just to demonstrate how to use such a robot technology, affordable robot technology, to make low-scale production in, for example, the conditories or rather food production where the cake decoration is a problem. This is our test platform here, what you see, and this is my colleague Sándor Tarsoly, a mechanical engineer dealing with robot programming for several years now, and he is the guy here who is responsible for such a proof of concept validation and investigation. Okay, so what we see here is the soft gripper from OnRobot company, which is a leading manufacturer, leading technology developer, and they just rolled out this gripper. We are testing how to grab different fruits and vegetables. So as you see, we place different vegetables and fruits to the pickup position. Then the robots perform the pick and place activity through this soft gripper, which is actually a very simple mechanism. There is a soft membrane with four, like a finger, and one linear actuator in the center of the mechanism actuates this soft body, which is able to grasp the various fruits without harming the surface. Okay, the robot itself is a universal robot, UR16, which is a so-called collaborative robot arm. And we can conclude that in certain situations, this robot soft gripper performs quite well. The grasp is quite stable. I try to get out these vegetables from center. Okay, so it's I manage it, of course, because it's a soft something, but anyway, the grasp is quite okay. So without external intervention, it holds very well. So the RoboChair project is a Horizon 2020 project with multiple partners from Europe. You can see all the partners here. The goal of this project is to revolutionize the pork production through robotization and artificial intelligence, introducing a completely new method to produce pork meat. Today, the normal production line, automated or semi-automated production lines in the meat production, is a serial production chain going through all the steps from the intestine removal to the grading. And while the RoboChair philosophy is completely different. This is a parallel structure and a horizontally scaling structure in which 2 or 3 robots, it is not completely decided yet, performs all the steps of the production one by one after the other. In this model, multiple cells can be installed in a parallel way, so the scalability is based on a completely different concept. Óbuda University responsibility is the gripper design, for the removal of the intestine and the plaque, so the 2 first steps in the production. In this demonstration, we would like to introduce how our newly designed gripper operates. On the screen, this is an animation how the robots are going to perform the production steps. But if it is true, our colleagues currently performing a field test, and I really hope that they can join into the webinar.
Hi everyone, I am Krzysztof. I am right now at Herceg-Halom at the SMEs University Slaughterhouse. I am outside right now, but I explained that what will you see, and then go inside. So what you will see is that we will like introduce what will happen in one of the cells. We are right now testing our gripper, the first prototype of the design gripper. So we will try to, or actually we will grasp the trachea here of the pig, and we will pull out all the intestines with this only one grasp for the trachea. After that, we will show you that with the same gripper, we can also grasp the limbs of the pig. We will grasp one already cut down limb, and we will move it away, showing you that it can withstand this more than 10 kilograms of weight. So now we will go inside. I hope that you will hear me there also. I hope that you can see the pig now. This is the belly of the pig, and we have the saddle there. And here is our gripper. This is the gripper itself. And here is the trachea that I was talking about. You will see in a second that the gripper is grasping it. And now it's holding it. As you can see, the gripper is doing its job. The whole thing is together yet. And we can hold it quite firmly with it, and it can withstand this huge force that we need to tear out all the intestines. As you can see, my colleague is expressing quite much force. Okay, so we removed the intestines. Now we will show you that we can also hold the limbs, the ham with it. There are the already cut limbs. It's more than 10 kilograms, 12, if I remember well. And it holds it well.
Thank you very much, Krzysztof. It was amazing. It was a really live webinar. We just concluded that our gripper fulfills the requirements completely. So I'm especially happy now. And the final presentation is this cake decoration. Sanyi, please start it. In the meantime, I introduce. So this is again our universal robot UR16 equipped with a pneumatic dispenser or of sugar cream, and using the robot manipulator and the pre-programmed decoration, we execute the cake decoration in an automatic way. Actually, this is not, again, not a very new technology industry wise. There are some manufacturers who can provide such functionalities in real industrial environment, but those techs are usually less affordable, need more expensive stuff, more expensive manipulator and dispensers. We committed to provide solutions for the small and medium-sized enterprises to make possible the setup of new production lines with ease. We had some problem here. There might be some air bubbles in the sugar, and that is why the robot didn't draw anything for a while. But now it's okay again, and the happy birthday caption on the cake is underway. Okay, the consistency of the sugar is not constant, so it influences the quality of the text pretty much. It requires a very serious setup. Okay, and thank you very much. This was the final moment of our presentation.